Searching for the best gaming motherboard for your Ryzen 9 5900X feels like picking between identical twins. Same chipset claims, same RGB lighting, same gaming-ready buzzwords. But here's the thing, the real difference isn't in the photos or the box. It's in the power delivery, the future-proofing, and whether it actually supports your CPU without a BIOS update nightmare. Product number 1. ASUS ROG Strix B850A. Let's start with the ASUS ROG Strix B850A Gaming Wi-Fi. This is a brand new AM5 board from ASUS, and honestly it's a weird fit for the 5900X, because that CPU uses AM4, not AM5. But if you're planning to upgrade to a Ryzen 8000 or 9000 series later, this board makes sense. You get Wi-Fi 7, PCIe 5, and 4 M2 slots, all future-ready features. The AI networking II and ASUS AI Advisor sound fancy, and they do help automate overclocking and traffic optimization. But here's the catch, the Ryzen 9 5900X won't even fit in this socket. So unless you're buying a new CPU too, this board is overkill and incompatible. Now some people might say, but I can use it with a BIOS update. No, you can't. AM5 CPUs physically won't go into AM4 boards, and vice versa. So while this board is powerful and packed with next-gen tech, it's not for your 5900X. This is perfect for you if you're building a brand new AM5 system and want headroom for AI workloads or future upgrades. Skip this one if you're sticking with your Ryzen 9 5900X. It's like buying a sports car when you only have a bicycle. Product number 2. Gigabyte B850 AORUS Elite. Next up, the Gigabyte B850 AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7, another AM5 board, priced higher at $295.35. Like the ASUS, it supports Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series, DDR5 up to 5200 MHz, and has 3 M2 slots with PCIe 5. But again, the Ryzen 9 5900X uses AM4, so this board won't work with it at all. The easy latch for M2 drives is convenient, and the sensor panel link is cool for custom builds, but none of that matters if your CPU doesn't fit. Some users might be tempted because it's newer or more premium, but compatibility is non-negotiable. Now, if you're set on keeping your 5900X, this board is a hard pass. But if you're upgrading your CPU too, this is a strong contender with excellent build quality and long-term support. This is perfect for you if you're going all in on AM5 and want a reliable, well-cooled board with Wi-Fi 7. Skip this one if you're not upgrading your CPU. It's a mismatch from the start. Product number 3. Gigabyte B550 Eagle Wi-Fi 6. Now we're talking the Gigabyte B550 Eagle Wi-Fi 6. This is an AM4 board, which means it actually supports your Ryzen 9 5900X right out of the box. It uses DDR4 memory up to 3600 MHz, which is perfect for this CPU, and has a 10+3-phase VRM design that delivers clean, stable power. The pre-installed I/O armor makes building easier, and the thermal armor helps keep temps down during long sessions. But here's the downside. It only has 1 GB ELAN, not 2, 5 GB, and only 2 M2 slots, so if you plan to load up on NVMe drives, you'll hit limits fast. Some users also complain about the BIOS being a bit clunky compared to ASUS. Now, is that a deal breaker? Not really, unless you're doing heavy networking or storage expansion. For most gamers, this board hits the sweet spot. Great compatibility, solid performance, and no need for a BIOS update. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, no-nonsense AM4 board that supports your 5900X without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need more than 2 M2 slots or faster LAN. Product number 4. ASUS ROG Strix B550F Gaming II. The ASUS ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi II is one of the most popular AM4 boards for a reason. The BIOS flashback feature is a lifesaver if you ever need to update without a CPU. But the memory clock speed is listed at 2133 MHz, which is misleading. It supports much higher speeds with overclocking, up to 5100+ MHz with the right RAM. Some users report that the onboard audio could be better and the RGB headers are limited. Still, for the price, it's hard to beat. This board delivers premium features without the premium price tag. This is perfect for you if you want a balanced, high-performance AM4 board that won't bottleneck your 5900X. Skip this one only if you need more than 2 M2 drives or plan extreme overclocking. Otherwise, it's a killer value. Product number 5. ASUS ROG Strix X870A. Finally, the ASUS ROG Strix X870A Gaming Wi-Fi, a top-tier AM5 board at $304.80. Like the others, it's built for Ryzen 7000 and up, with DDR5, PCIe 5, 4 M2 slots, and USB 4. But again, the Ryzen 950-900X won't fit. This board is designed for the future, not the present. Unless you're upgrading your CPU, it's incompatible and overpriced for your needs. Some might argue it's future-proof, but that's only true if you plan to switch platforms soon. For now, it's a mismatch. This is perfect for you if you're building a high-end AM5 system and want maximum expandability and AI features. Skip this one if you're keeping your 5900X. It's like buying a mansion when you only need an apartment. So which motherboard should you pick for your Ryzen 950-900X? If you're sticking with AM4, the Gigabyte B550 Eagle and ASUS ROG Strix B550F are your best bets. Solid power, great features, and real compatibility. The AM5 boards, they're powerful, but they won't work with your CPU. Don't waste money on future-proofing if it doesn't fit today. Pick smart, build right.